Kaveri engine, India's jet-powered investment opportunity. What if we told you the future of air power and big investment is being built right here in India? Kaveri engine, India's jet-powered leap. Meet the Kaveri engine, India's bold push to develop an indigenous fighter jet engine, now at the heart of the next defense revolution. It is indigenous, strategic, powerful. But here's where it gets interesting. The investment opportunity spans far beyond just jets. Sectors that beneficiary are aerospace manufacturing, advanced materials, UAV propulsion, AI and simulation, strategic tech partnerships. With platforms like AMCA and stealth drones in the pipeline, companies supplying engines, software and components are primed to take off. Company that beneficiary are public companies: Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited, Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited, Larsen & Toubro Limited. Private companies: Godrej and Boyce Manufacturing Company Limited, Tata Advanced Systems Limited, Bharat Forge Limited, Apollo Microsystems Limited. This isn't just a defense project. It's a catalyst for India's tech ecosystem and global aerospace presence. The Kaveri engine is lighting the way forward. The only question is, will you invest in the engine or just watch it fly? Invest in the future. Research the Kaveri ecosystem today.